Moving on to brighter things, we're going to work on installing our LEDs. On our board, you can see that the LED 1 is located here, LED 2 is there, both of which have an arrow pointing to it. And it says light emitting diode, see figure H. LEDs, figure H. It shows mount the LED into the PC board with the flat side of the LED in the same direction marked on the PC board. Be sure to mount the LED flush with the PC board as shown below. Solder and cut off the excess leads. So this shows there's a flat on the collar, a flat on the board, as the drawing shows a circle with the flat. This should be on the side that has the cathode, which would be negative. So there should be a letter C and a letter A underneath to represent those legs. And there's the flat. It will not go completely flush to the board. The LED. All right, so this light emitting diode, hence light producer, is going to be red in color. If you notice, there's a red dome, and then there's a collar on the bottom. It's like a stopper, and as you turn it, you see that there's a flat spot. This right here is the flat that you're supposed to match up on your drawing on the board. Okay, so if you turn it more, you can see it. Now you don't see it that much, so a good trick is to roll it on the table. So that just stopped just there. I picked this up, you can see the little flat right there, and I'll double check my work and I will look for the short lead. And correct, that is the short lead, so that's the cathode side, that's the negative side. The anode side is the opposite. So the cathode side, I think I said it right. The cathode side is the negative, the long lead will be the anode. And we are going to make sure we align the short wire with the C, that's the cathode. And as we press it in, we'll see that the flat is on that side. Okay, and it does not go flush with the board. It's going to be proud by a little bit. So that, you're going to flip over and solder the leads. Double check it. And then if you have the same board, okay, this side looks like this. When you go to this side, there are 3 holes here. Make sure that you have it in the hole that has copper in it. Otherwise, it is not going to have a contact. It'll be an open circuit.